Hello and welcome to MZ Academy. This is Moiz and today we're going to be learning how to create a Google account. This was requested by a fan, so we're doing it. So the first thing that you need to do is go to account.google.com and then we click the create an account button. And then we go here and fill out our first and last name. And for this example, I'll say test1 and you can put any username that you want. So for now, I'm going to put mzacademy@gmail.com. And then once again, you can put any password you want. And so I'll do mine. And then we click next. Now if you have a phone number, you can put in for extra security, and same goes with the recovery email. After that, you just put in your birthday, and for this I'll be putting something random. Next we have the privacy and terms page, and I'll just click I agree. And there you go, you have your very own Google account. Now if you want to use Gmail, you can click the launchpad icon over here and go to the Gmail icon. And there you go, this is your personal Gmail. Okay guys, that was it. This is how you create your very own Google account. Thank you for watching, bye.